Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rachel S. Arellano.
How old are you?
I'm 34 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in 1602 Lacson Street, Tondo, Manila.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
Yes, ma'am. I have one brother and two sisters, and I'm the youngest one.
Are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am, and I have one son.
How old are your kids?
4 years old, ma'am.
Who will take care of your child when you go to Hong Kong?
My mother, ma'am.
Are you a high school or college graduate?
No, ma'am. I am a undergrad in high school.
Do you have any experience in working abroad?
No, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience as a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
For 2 years.
What are your main duties with them?
Like a household works and cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, like
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
because of my son needs and family needs.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Steamed fish and sweet and sour or chop suey, ma'am. And I'm willing to learn more.
are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
A nursery song, ma'am.
Can you give an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, up so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, what kind of employer are you looking for?
A kind and generous mom.
Are you afraid
And
of
loving
dogs?
family.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm a nice and I'm willing to learn more.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you give a short message to your future employer?
Ma'am, I'm willing to do my best because I really need this work.
Okay, can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I will do my best.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.